Hello and welcome. Now in this video what we are going to do is we are going to create an Infinity Deadline countdown timer. And in order to get started with that process, we're going to go to the countdown area. We're going to click Create New. When we get there, you'll see that you've got three choices, and in this case we're going to click the Infinity Deadline countdown timer. Now what's going to happen is you're going to see that there's a box here that's going to allow you to set the deadline in terms of number of days. So if we put 5 here, that means then that the offer that people will see when they hit your page or when they hit the link, it will be 5 days in length, and it's going to be individualized for everybody who comes to the page. So in this particular case, we're going to put a link here that we want people to see before the deadline is over. So we're going to write in the Clockwork Funnels website. Obviously, you're going to write in the website that you are using or the offer that you want people to see before the deadline is over. You won't put Clockwork Funnels. Then what we're going to do is we're going to set the time zone that we want the offer to expire in. So in this case, what we're going to do is we're just going to come into the Eastern United States time zone. You would put the one that either you are in or the one where you want the offer to expire. Now, when we set a relative deadline in terms of days, it's going to be 5 days. We want to choose the time in which that is going to expire on that 5th day. So what we're going to do is we're going to select the time. In this particular case, this is 2000. That means that it is 8 p.m. And then we're going to write in a link where we want people to go once the offer has expired. So in this case, we might have a page that says this offer is over, but you can sign up for the mailing list, or we're sold out, or something to that effect that they know that they have missed the offer. So we're going to put that page in. In this particular case, I'm just going to write in Google. Obviously, you would not write in Google. You would create the page that you would want to show after the deadline is over. We're then going to name the countdown. In this case, we're going to name it name of countdown. And this is going to be a unique name that nobody is going to see other than you, so you don't have to worry about what the name is. Once you've done that, you're going to click Submit. You're then going to be brought to the countdown appearance, and then what you can do is you can choose one of the timers. If you'd like to customize the look, you can do that. You want to change the color, or you want to change the font color, you can do that. You want to change the font, you can do that, or even change the language. Once you've done that, you are then going to click Save. And once you click Save, then we will have completed our construction of a countdown timer in the Infinity section. Then what we're going to do is we're going to insert it onto a page. In order to do that, we're going to go to the Pages area, and we're going to click a new page. And we're going to create a new page just so that we can see how this works. And you're going to see this left side menu, and down that left side menu, you're going to see countdown clocks. You can drag any one of these elements into the pane. We're going to take the top one and drag it in. And then we're going to hold on to it with our mouse. We'll let it go. And then you're going to see a countdown timer that is already there. Now, in order to adjust it, what you're going to do is you're going to put your cursor right on top of that timer. And then you're going to see a link that says select countdown, and you're going to have a drop down box there. We're going to click that drop down box. We're going to scroll down, and you'll notice there is the name of the countdown timer that we just created. We're going to add it, and then we're going to save the changes. Once we've done that, then our clock is then added to the page where we want. Obviously, this is a blank page. You'd have a page that's already created, but that's how you would add the visual countdown timer to an actual page. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.